In this video, I'm going to be showing you which items that you should keep, sell, and recycle here in Arc Raiders. This is super simple and it's going to be a quick breakdown, but before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this is going to work the exact same whether you're on PC, PS5, or Xbox, and Arc Raiders does have a ton of loot, and once your stash does start filling up, it can get very confusing knowing what's actually worth keeping. To make things even easier, I put a full loot guide in the description below. It's going to cover everything you need, including what items are rare and worth holding on to, what's uncommon, what is safe to sell or recycle, blueprint types, weapon locations, and how item spawning works. And it's also a full color-coded breakdown of loot rarity. There is a ton of loot in this game, so it's going to tell you, like, for example, if you have a damaged wasp driver, you're going to want to scrap that. If you have, for example, a dartboard, you're going to want to sell that. Deflated football, sell that. Degraded arc rubber, scrap. I mean, a good way to think about it is anything that is going to be degraded or practically useless or even residential, you should be scrapping. But not everything, just because some residential stuff is going to be pretty rare overall that you can stash and sell later on for even more. But yeah, I highly recommend checking this out. This is going to help you guys a lot. But if your stash is full or limited, use that guide. If this did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.